Okay, here's my 1-year renewal policy from State Farm. I've actually blacked out my policy number. Go figure that one. So you see here I have it's $217 a year, so I've got zero deductible. I've got just over $16,000 of camera equipment covered. That is 5 camera bodies out of my 6. The 6th one I'm not worried about. And a notebook computer. This $16,000 plus covers 5 of my 6 camera bodies and I think 8 or 9 of my most expensive lenses, some of my important lenses that I actually pack around everywhere. I mean, obviously I got 60 some lenses, but most of them I never touch. They never leave the house. There's no reason to insure them. But the important thing is that I'm getting to now, obviously for United States residents, this obviously isn't going to be very helpful for you, sorry. But Farmers Insurance carries this, or State Farm carries this. Is called an inland marine insurance policy. Some people call it a personal articles policy. What's so great about this versus like the insurance will try to sell you at your camera store? The big difference, huge differences, okay? This covers everything with zero deductible. Say your kid peed on it, you can say I had a mental breakdown and I used my camera as a hammer. Loss, theft, drops, accidents, everything. Every manner of stupidity, theft, spills, loss, everything is covered. Zero deductible, right? The important thing is, like if you're using Farmers or State Farm or other major insurance company, you already got car insurance, house insurance, whatever. You don't even have to have that, but the point being is that once you made a claim, you know, unless you're actually trying to screw your insurance company, which I haven't made a claim on this sort of stuff, and oh my god, I don't know, it's 15 years or something. So the thing is that you can still have your insurance after you've made a claim, which is important. I mean, say you got, like I've got, you got $16,000 of coverage, okay, which is important. Unlike my D810 bodies that I'm packing around or whatever, expensive lenses, and I have to make a claim. It's like, oh well, the other insurance at your camera store, just type in camera insurance, everything that everybody has, once you made a claim on, and even if you've had it for like 15 years, once you made it, you're screwed, it's over with. Okay, you're done. No more insurance for you from them. Okay, you made a claim, okay, they'll pay out the claim. Great, now you have to go hunt for more insurance. You don't have to do this here. If I make a claim, you know, unless I'm trying to screw somebody or something, or I'm some sort of deadbeat that's always making claims with my insurance company, they're not going to raise my rate. So not only do I have it, but my rate isn't raised. So I don't have to go hunting for new insurance. $217 a year, zero deductible. You know, basically, let's see, what is it, like $17,500. So I got zero deductible, full coverage, everything. This is from State Farm. These policies sound too good to be true. I first started hearing about these 20 years ago from people that have a lot of money. And they got a lot of expensive crap to insure. They're like, this is like a hidden secret, not too many people know about it. And I've been using it ever since. You see here it's called a personal articles policy. Although you can ask State Farm, they call it inland marine insurance. Just do a Google search, inland marine. Yeah, I know it sounds weird. Inland marine insurance policy. So, I already just paid this for another year's of coverage. So if I make a claim, I still got my insurance. My rate isn't going to jump. If you got camera insurance, all those places that insure camera gear, they suck. Okay, they suck. Their prices are outrageous. And if you make one claim, you got limited spectrum of what you can make a claim on. But if you're within that spectrum and you make a claim, guess what? You're dropped. So now you gotta go hunting for more insurance. So screw that. Screw that. You know, just keep paying these people, alright? Man, I can tell you, doesn't matter how good or careful you are, and damn, I'm careful. It's so easy to drop a $3,000 camera and just destroy it in a heartbeat like that, alright? So pay for itself. I guess that's it. A lot of people wanted me to go over this again, and here's my policy. And that's the cost, and that's for basically $18,000 of coverage, a little less than that. So Anyway, covers everything. Loss, theft, stupidity, acts of God, zero deductible. Covers everything. Got it? Thanks. If you like this video, you can always drop me $1 or $2. So you try to get this sort of insurance coverage if you're in the United States. I know there's some sort of stuff like this in Australia. I know there's something like this in Canada. I'm sorry, I don't have the information on it. So I'm basically only talking to United States residents on this. Sorry about that, but, whatever. Anyway, thanks for watching.